let me open it and put some batteries in there, and I can play with it a bit. Just to let you know, just for some videos I watched on YouTube before going ahead to buy this equipment, I think before they used to come with 2 GB SD card, but these ones don't come, because on the case I think there's somewhere that actually says SD card not included, but I think on previous versions SD cards, they were included. So this slot for SD card, so let me get one and pull one in. This is the SD card we're gonna use for demonstration purpose. Put it in. Let's turn it on. That's it. So as you can see, sorry about that. As you can see all the tracks. So LR 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are off. Put it on. Guess that's when you want to use the 4 microphones. If you have 4 guests, you turn that off. So let's go in and see. Let's hit the menu button and see. So that is project, setting the mic. As you can see, low cut, recording, playback, information, tune, backlight. So guys, okay, this is for the remote. I think it comes with, I think that's an extra accessory anyway. That's for line out. And so guys, here's a quick tour of the Zoom H6, and hopefully when I start using this, I will be able to do more reviews and tell you more about this piece of equipment. Hope you've enjoyed the video and have been able to help you to make up your mind if you want to buy this Zoom H6. And in the coming weeks, I'll be using it, and I'll be able to tell you how I've connected it to my microphones and what I use it for and etc. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Take care. Bye.